What we have here is the Pittsburgh 20-ton pneumatic bottle jack, air hydraulic bottle jack from Harbor Freight. So let's open it up and let's take a look at what's inside. Please read carefully. Okay. Alright, so a handle for manual use. The hose looks like it's already connected. And there we are, just like the box shows. And we've got a quick coupler here. This, like any other jack, will release it right here. And these are gonna go away. So I'm actually gonna retrofit this to the 20-ton hydraulic press. The it's Central Machinery from Harbor Freight as well. So we're gonna hook this thing up and check it out. Alright, so I had to build some pressure in my air compressor. So we're ready to hook this up. I'm sure this is probably going to need tightened here. So probably have to tighten that up if you try it out. So we're going to go ahead and hook it up. Now you've got this lever here, and you've got a lock mechanism right here. So I'll show you about that. Pretty simple. There's no weight on it other than the springs. But in case you were wondering, the lifting range from 10 1/4 to 20 inches with screw cap fully extended. Okay, so you've got a little more here. Guess I should have read the box first. Working pressure is 90 to 120 psi. Lightweight, sturdy cast iron. Stroke length is 6.5 inches. So 6.5 inches here, but you can extend it. Well, that's the lifting range. 10 1/4 to 20 inches. Using this right here as an adjustment. So that actually might make it easier to retrofit it to that 20-ton shop press. Actually, I didn't realize I did. I should have known, really. But I was looking at it and wondering. I'll probably go ahead and use the springs off of the press. So I'll probably consider just removing these. But I don't know yet. I kind of wonder if the bolt pattern is the same. Actually, it doesn't look like it is. Nope. Looks kind of opposite or something. But so when you're ready to release it, just let her down. Now you do have an extension on this. It'll come in the box like this, but you can use it this way. So you got a little bit longer handle, I guess. I don't know what this would be for. Doesn't really lock to the left though. I'm sure that'll be enough. And in addition to the pneumatic pump, you've also got the manual option here. And I'm sure this handle extension would come in handy for that. So here this way. So you could use it either way. Or maybe fine tune with this manual option. I don't know. Alright, that's pretty well it. It works. I'll show you the press I'm talking about. Yeah, so the bolt holes look like they're on the opposite side from the front perspective, where you have the manual jack there. The screws over here on the pneumatic one. So, I'll probably just have to drill them out. It should fit right up. And should be able to go in there. I mean, that doesn't sit perfect in there anyway. Looks like I got some play there, so hopefully the cap of that pneumatic jack fits right in there. And this would be pretty fun to play with. Not just play with, but to use on some other parts. Make it a little easier, maybe. To be honest, I just wanted to do it, really. I didn't come up with this idea. I've seen it, a guy did it on YouTube already, but I think our item numbers might be a little different as far as the press item number and the item number on this pneumatic jack. I don't think we had the same thing, so I might try to see if I can find his video, and maybe I can put a link to his if you have a different version. It may actually could have been this part number too, or item number, or part of item number. Okay, not real sure about that, but oh well. In case you're wondering about this press, it's been pretty good. I mean, it's a little wobbly, but that's just my floor. It's probably not this way. I don't know. Could be both, but it gets the job done. I had to use it once I've used it multiple times, but once I pressed the shaft piece out of the triple clamps on a dirt bike, and so I could change the clamps. That was pretty interesting to do. So I had to use it for that. I think that was on a YZ125. Doesn't matter, but other than that, I really haven't used it a whole lot, other than just bike parts, really. I'm still unsure about these springs and this plate here. I kind of feel like I should just remove them and use the springs on the press, but at the same time, I think they could also just stay. I don't know. We're gonna find out though.